Hey guys, welcome back. So on October 18th, Apple's Unleashed event begins, and while Apple has not announced anything itself, it is rumored to unveil a couple of new hardware products. One of the rumored devices is the M1X MacBook Pro laptops. Some reports also suggest that we may see the next generation AirPods. So first, let's start with AirPods 3rd generation model because there is not a lot to talk about unlike some of the other products in the event. It will come with an AirPod Pro-like design with a shorter stem, silicone ear tips as against the one-size-fits-all hard case bud that AirPod 1 and AirPods 2 carry, and are said to come with features like wireless charging, a new chip, but will lack premium features like active noise cancellation and spatial audio. And finally, in comparison to the 2nd gen AirPods, the new AirPods charging case will have a 20% larger battery. So that is all. Now that that's out of the way, let's get to the M1X powered MacBook Pro laptops, which I'm particularly interested about. Now there is some confusion regarding what the chip is called, like M1X or M2. But guess what? It doesn't matter, what matters is the performance, and there is no short supply of that. The chip is also said to have better neural processing capabilities and can support up to 64 gigs of RAM. According to a report, M1X is being developed in two variations. The base 14-inch MacBook Pro, yeah that's right, 14-inch MacBook rather than 13-inch, this variant is expected to have a 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, while the 16-inch model will share the same chip but comes with 32 cores of GPU instead. And apparently we can expect a slightly bigger and heavier chassis on the new MacBook Pro models to accommodate two big fans for cooling. The laptops may further feature a mini LED display with much finer backlight zones and allegedly capable of hitting 1000 nits of brightness. Additionally, it gets ProMotion screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, faster charging, and the return of an HDMI port on a MacBook. There might be an SD card reader slot and support for MagSafe wireless charging as well. This year's MacBook Pro is also said to come without the infamous touch bar and will have physical buttons instead. The top bezel houses an improved 1080p webcam, while the bezels around the display are supposed to get smaller. What's interesting is, multiple unrelated industry sources have actually been independently hinting at the possibility of a display notch on Pro models. Yeah, something like this render. Definitely take this information with a grain of salt. Finally, both M1X MacBook Pro base models are believed to have 16 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of SSD. Apple may release the 16-inch variant with the option of upgrading to 32 gigs of RAM and up to 2 TB of storage. So that is all for this video, hope it was helpful, and catch you in the next one.